Okay, here we have the control pots. This one moves the upper arm. That's moving it up. That'll go down to the down position. And this is the halfway. Same with the forearm. Make the actuator go out. And make the actuator go in. Now, I'm going to move the upper arm up a bit. And the lower arm to the 90-degree position. So it looks like this. Now when I move the upper arm down, you'll notice the lower actuator compensate and keep its 90-degree angle. When I go up, it doesn't compensate. Sometimes it does when I get way out, but it never goes back to that same point. And if I make it go back to 90 degrees manually, you can see I've got fine control, and come down with the upper arm the lower actuator will wind in and try and keep its angle. But if we go up, it never gets to the proper angle. But it's easy to move it by powering that actuator. Now it's back at that position.